This is Silver Stag Pyro here with you for another video, and I got some rockets to show you. Alright guys, we're just going to take a look at these rockets right here. We got Flying Eagle. These are by Top Gun Fireworks. I've never shot these. There's 4 in a pack. And if I remember right, I got these at Half Price Fireworks in Indiana. Really nice guy that owns that store. I really suggest that store if you're in that area. It's on the east side of Indiana. Great stuff there and good prices and really good guy. And he has a huge collection of older fireworks. If you want to take a look at those, it's really cool stuff. Next, I've been really excited to try these out. The video looked really good. These are Nishiki Galaxy by Miracle Fireworks. Got 5 rockets in there. You can kind of see some images, but they're really all just, it's kind of hard with that that chameleon look, or whatever you call that. They're all Willow, but there's a little bit of color in each one. Looks like blue, pink, yellow. It's hard to tell on here. Alright, last rockets here are Kung Fu rockets. These are by Polywonder. Never shot any rockets by Polywonder. The only thing I've shot, I think, was either a firecracker or like a stickless rocket. I can't remember for sure. But it was good. Whatever it was, I remember liking it. So yeah, 4 rockets come in this pack. And I've been really excited to try these out as well. So I'm going to get all these opened up and we're going to take a look at them. We will start with the Flying Eagle rockets. Then we're going to go to Nishiki Galaxy and then Kung Fu rockets. And as you can see, we got snow. So even in the snow, the fireworks never stop. I really enjoy making these videos for you guys, showing you what's out there. And it's just a lot of fun for me to be able to do this. So we're going to go ahead and start with this Flying Eagle rocket. I'm actually going to move this a little bit. That looks like a good angle. Should be good. There's trees all around, so I'm trying to shoot it so it goes right up in the middle there. Alright, we're going to get started with this. I'm going to try it with this big spotlight on up there. So if it looks bad or there's too much shadow or whatever, we'll try to fix that. But we'll try it this way first. Whoa! Okay, that was really nice. Excellent. Oh, Karen just came out to join us. Hey, girl. She's an older girl now, so she's actually kind of losing her sight and hearing, so it's kind of sad, but she's a great dog. Alright, Flying Eagle number 2. Alright, nice. They aren't super loud, but they have a nice pop to them. Flying Eagle rocket number 3. Nice glitter tips there. And last Flying Eagle rocket, number 4. Again, these are by Top Gun. Let's do it. Ooh, that was a nice one to finish with. Man, they fly good. It's like straight up. Alright, next ones we got here are the Nishiki Galaxy. I actually remembered to take all those stupid little plastic things off before I started recording. Let's see if they say anything on the rockets themselves. Doesn't look like it, unless I'm missing it. But there should be a little color in each one. First Nishiki Galaxy rocket by Miracle Fireworks. That was excellent. Wow. Nice boom. Nice Willow. So far, recommend. Number 2. Wow. That is really nice. Nice Willow. Oh, that's pretty. Man, these are flying really nice too. Man, that one was great. Nice red. Nice Willow too. All right, we got one more from that pack. Last Nishiki Galaxy rocket going up. Look at that, it's still hanging. And I just so happened to save both crackle rockets from each pack for the last one, so that was perfect. All right, guys, let me get my light on here. Last pack of rockets are these Kung Fu by Polywonder. I'm going to get them open up, remove those red things, and get started. All right, first Kung Fu rocket. Unfortunately, this stick broke. I don't know if you can see, I taped it there. So hopefully it might fly a little bit wonky. It'll definitely fly, it'll get up there, but if it looks wonky, that's why. Kung Fu. That was great. Wow. That looked really nice. Nice boom on that too. All right, excellent. Now I'm really excited for the last ones. All right, we got, and then none of them say anything different. They all look exactly the same. So, number 2. Whoa! What? I don't know what that was. That was weird. Do you see that thing spinning all weird? Okay, yeah. I don't know what was up with that one. That was wild. I'm going to have to rewatch that because that flew so weird. Yeah, I'm going to have to slow that down and see what that was doing. That was pretty crazy. Nice break, though. It was really low. Number 3 of 4. Oh, nice sizzling crackle. You can hear those rockets thumping down afterwards. Last Kung Fu rocket by Polywonder. These are fun. Oh man, that was a great one to finish with. Alright Alright guys, well those are the rockets. Tell me what's your favorite down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like, all that good stuff if you enjoy my videos, and we will see you on the next one. Later!